Stick pasting. Materials required are color pencils, Fevicol, big matchsticks for big pot, and small matchsticks for small pot. First, color the flower with color pencils. These pots have different flowers, so color them with different colors. Use yellow, red, orange, pink, and blue colors for the flowers. Also color the leaves on both the pots with green color. Color the portion of soil with brown color. Now put Fevicol evenly on the big pot. Paste big matchsticks one by one from one side of the pot to the other, covering the whole pot evenly. Now put Fevicol on the small pot. Paste small matchsticks on this small pot. We will cover the whole pot from one end to the other by pasting the sticks evenly. Now, our pots with colorful flowers are ready. Potato and onion impression. Materials required are poster colors, potato, onion, brush, and knife. First, ask your parents to cut the potato and onion with knife. Color the onion with red color. Then make an impression on the petal of the flower. Color all the petals with red color in the same way. Now put yellow color on the potato and make an impression on the circular portion of the flower. Now the flower is ready. Paper pasting. Materials required for this activity are Fevicol and glazed paper of different colors. First, tear magenta colored glazed paper into small pieces and collect it in a small bowl. Similarly, we will tear glazed paper of different colors. Put Fevicol in the bucket of orange color and paste pieces of glazed paper in that area evenly. Similarly, we will put the Fevicol in other area and paste pieces of yellow glazed paper. This is an interesting activity, as now all the buckets have different colors.